Yo, did you eat my food? Yeah, I was a little hungry.
What's your emergency?
I told him not to leave the doors unlocked.
Whoa, sir, what's happening? I need you to calm down.
That's right.
I did what? Chipotle, how can I take your order?
Yes, I'd like a double wrap bean burrito, please.
Alright, just so you know, we're giving away one free meal for every order today.
Really?
Yes, sir. All you gotta do is let us know.
Hey, Johnny, you want anything from Chipotle? You sure? You want anything? Chips, guac, queso? No? No? Last call, Johnny. Johnny? 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 Yeah, just leave it for one order, please. Yeah, leave it by the door.